Okay, let's do some isometric, it's a fancy way of saying 3D drawing. All right, let me start here with a map. Okay, this is going to be the bird's eye view. Looking at the structure from straight down, this is what it would look like. Okay, so let's say this is the top view. And then we have our cells. And then, now looking at it from the top, this is what you would see. But the information I can put here would show the different height of each cell. Okay, let's not make it too hard. Now, looking at it from the top, you would just see the rectangle like this. Now, this 5 here indicates that this section would be 5 stories high. Now, here's how you draw it. Let's start off with, first of all, let's say this is the front view. So if I'm standing in front of this building, I'm going to change that angle. If I'm standing in front of this building, what I would see is 3 here and probably that one. But looking at it from this angle, probably that one won't come into play. But I made it 9 stories high, so you'll see it eventually. So let's start by drawing this one right here. So imagine you're looking at it like that. Now, 3D drawing means there's 3 dimensions. So at every point, there's going to be 3 dimensions on every vertex. So we're going to have a length, a width, and a height. So that's what this would look like. Okay? Now, it's only 1 story high, so I can go ahead and put the top on it. And that's it. Now this one here that says 5, I'm going to start with the first block. Just extend each of those sections. Okay? Now, 5 stories high, right? There's only 1 right now. I have to extend each of these to make it another story. Now, obviously, some of the lines here you wouldn't see. So, if you want to, you can erase that line. I'm just going to color this in like that. Okay, because that's really what is visible. Okay, you're going to see that. You're going to see that. Okay? Now, it's 5 stories high. Now I only have 2, so I have to keep going to make it 5. Let's see, this would be 3, 4, 5. I can put the top, and I'll see all that. Okay, for the 1 next to it, I'm just going to need 1 square. Okay, so I have 1 here, got 5 here, I got 1 here. So I'm just going to need to extend this a bit. That's all you're going to see. So there is my 151. Now the next row is 441. So let's extend this. Okay, so that's 1. 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. Extend it up again. 4. Extend it one more time. So let's count that. It's 4 here, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 1 too many. That's the top of that. Okay, so that's what you would see. Notice I made this one 5 eventually. Right, if you're drawing with isometric paper, of course, it'll be a lot more accurate. I made this one kind of short because I didn't want to overlap that. Anyway, that's how you draw it. So you can see there'll be 4 behind this one with 5. So there'll just be another little level here. And then 1 over here. Now that 1 is not going to be seen because it's behind that one. So you won't be able to see it anyway. Okay? On the next row, you have 5, 3, 1. So you can extend it like that. Just try and use isometric dot paper. So I need 5 here. I've got 1, extend it up, 2, extend it up, 3, extend it up, 4, extend it up, 5. So now I have 5 stories here as well, and cap it. So it'll be 4 here, 5 here, and you can clearly see that. Okay, so that's isometric drawing.